8th grade student ambassador, Amber Joy Milligan. Welcome back from winter break. I hope you guys had a good holiday or holidays. Also, welcome to our new students because I heard we had like a ton of new students. But I'd like to announce our birthday link one more time because it was requested. So click that link if you'd like to be announced like all these other lovely people. Days this week, we have quite a few since a lot of you had birthdays over the break. And then our first birthday is Dakota Atkins, who goes by Sage in 11th grade, who had their birthday on December 22nd. And then we have Jabril Alalami in 8th grade, who had their birthday on December 23rd. Zachary Hansen in 12th grade, who had his birthday on December 29th. Brooklyn Bowman in 9th grade, who had their birthday on December 31st. Jenny DeLeon in 7th grade, who had their birthday on January 8th. And last but not least, Chloe Allen in 9th grade, who had their birthday on January 12th, which is today. So happy birthday to all of you from the student ambassadors. Now moving on to our advice segment. This week the topic is New Year's resolutions, and I know New Year's has passed. It's been long gone, but a lot of you have probably already made your resolutions, but I'm going to be providing some ways to update them, and also you can also make new ones. So for New Year's resolutions, I think they're just like goals, and I usually don't make yearly ones because, let's be real, I'll probably forget about that within like 2 weeks. But you can chunk your steps to your New Year's resolutions and do what I like to do and do quarterly, yearly goals. So basically January to March, another one from April to June, and so on. But you can really have any time frame. So here are some rules that I usually abide by when making New Year's resolutions. Number 1, commit to your resolution. Make sure it's a goal that you actually want to achieve and tell your friends about it, and it might hold you accountable. Also, make sure to take ownership in that resolution because it shouldn't be anyone else's idea but yours. Number 2, be realistic. Don't set the bar too high. Make sure it's actually achievable. Aim for something that's challenging, but you're still able to do it. 3, write it down. Put that resolution into writing and put it somewhere where you'll be able to see it. This could be your bedroom or in your...
Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Theo. I'm a new 7th year student ambassador. First, I would like to welcome all the new VLC students who just joined us this semester. I like books so much that I want to recommend one for you. It is called The Outsiders, and it was released as a movie too in 1983. This book is about an adaptation of the 1967 novel. Besides, the movie shows an American coming-of-age crime drama film directed by Francis Ford Coppola. Whatever you choose, reading the book or watching it as a movie, it is still worth trying it. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye!
Moving on to our Dear Amber segment that we started before break. If you would like to submit a question to me or maybe another ambassador, it depends on the week, be sure to use the link that your homeroom teacher will provide you. As you can see, we have a special guest on here. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, we
I'm
have
Gabby Sharon Font.
the Gabby Sharon Font, guys. I got the Gabby Sharon Font. But today we'll just be answering 2 quick questions that were submitted through our Q&A. And the first one is, how does it feel to be on the school news?
It can be stressful at times, but I think it's really fun.
Yeah, me
What about
too.
you?
I definitely think it's cool. Like, we write our own scripts and we get to like film our segments and stuff. And I definitely think it could help you in a career in like film or editing or like news anchoring, like journalism, stuff
Mm-hmm.
like that. But Miss Stevens is the sweetest about us not being able to film sometimes, you know what I mean? Like, if we're like
Mm-hmm.
sick or something, she's
Definitely.
like, it's fine, you don't have to do it. Like, she's so sweet about that. And then our
Yes.
next question is, how has life been so far, and how do you feel about going into high school? This doesn't really apply to you, you're already in high school. But how
Well,
has life
I
been
can
so far?
say it feels like easy at like sometimes. It's the weirdest thing. Like when I was in 8th grade, I really thought it'd be like harder and more
Mm,
difficult, but I just feel that everything's just going easy once you like you're on top of things and you don't get far behind. So you're there. I hope that
yeah.
makes sense. But how
Yeah.
about you, Amber? How do you feel?
Um, I'm pretty excited about not having to do KSA next year, but so that's all for the little Q&A segment. Reach out to me if you want to have like a specific special guest, or if you want to see Gabby again, or like fill out those questions and we might answer them. And that's all for my segment this week. I will see you next week. Bye.
Hi, I'm Mila, 6th grade student ambassador, and for our riddle/joke, we have, why can't your head be 12 inches long? You can pause the video and answer in the chat. The answer is because then it would be a foot. Bye.
Hello, this is Helio Lodge with EOJ in History. In 1915, the Foreman Suffrage Bill was voted down by the House of Representatives. The actual code was 204 against and 174 for this bill. The right to vote was granted to women in 1920.
Hello, everyone. It's 9th grade student ambassador Gabby Sharonfont here with your weekend weather and warm winter activities. I know it's different, it's pretty cool, but it is winter and it sure does feel like it. But anywho, now with the weather. So for today, it's going to be a high of 49 degrees and a low of 25 degrees, and it's going to be raining outside with occasional flurries at 11 p.m. For Saturday, it's going to be a high of 31 degrees and a low of 20 degrees. It's going to be mainly cloudy, so I suggest y'all stay inside, drink some hot chocolate, because that's what I've been drinking lately. But if you don't like hot chocolate, then I suggest tea will do the same. Now, for Sunday, it's going to be a high of 29 degrees and a low of 13 degrees. Yes, that is very cold. It's going to be partly cloudy, and we're going to get some snow between the hours of 4 p.m. to 6 a.m. on Monday. Now, not sure if you're going to be able to see the snow on Monday, but we will see. Next, I have some winter social updates for everyone. First, high school students, you have a time change for your social time. You can start to arrive at 5:45 to 6 p.m. 6 p.m. to 7:30 will be your social time, your official social time. We do need to make sure that all staff and students have left the building by 7:45 p.m. I repeat, 7:45 p.m. We know it is early, such an early time to leave such a fun social event. So we want to make sure that you talk with your friends to plan something after the winter social if you want to. Second, dress attire. This is not a formal event. Let me repeat, this is not a formal event. This is not a prom or a homecoming. It is a social, a time of gathering. Come as you are. Come casual, or if you want to get fancy, by all means, come your Sunday best. All in all, we just want everyone to have a good time. Third, last thing, winter social king and queen. At the door, when you check in, there's going to be a computer at the desk, and you're going to fill out that Google form. So, for middle school students, we will pick your prince and princess at 5:45 p.m. High school students, we will pick your king and queen at 6:30 p.m. Miss Stevens will have a special stash for you to wear as we start our new winter social tradition. Now, that's all for me, and I hope you all have an amazing weekend. Bye!